This is you, trying to book a critical healthcare shipment through a clunky legacy portal built for a world that no longer exists. And when you need support, you already know.
Please keep holding.
This is you with Mercury. Booking shipments with a portal built specifically for shipping biopharma, diagnostics, and medical devices. We speak your language, and we proactively track your packages so you don't have to. This is you, still on hold.
Your business really matters to us.
And this is you with Mercury, where someone is proactively looking out for you.
Hey Jade, we got an alert in your shipment and we think there may be a delay, but here are a few options.
And it's not just someone, it's your person. Our customers get paired with a dedicated squad, so the people helping you with your shipments actually know your shipments and your needs personally. Before Mercury, the shipping process was always trouble. Lost samples, no tracking, no temperature control, and forget about shipping overseas. With Mercury, you get real-time tracking, healthcare and life science-specific customs brokerage for global clearance, temperature logs, shipments photos, all built in. That means no fires to put out, no multiple systems, and no wasted time. Booking a similar shipment? Easy. And with just one click, you can instantly share a tracking link with your whole team. And if something goes wrong, Mercury's leaders step in, personally.
Because biopharma, medical device, and diagnostic tests don't wait, neither do we.
With Mercury, you don't just book shipments, you gain a partner you can count on. From end to end, Mercury delivers. Ship with confidence.